Hey girlfriends, it's the Laura Nicole, and today I'll be showing you how to flat twist your hair. If you're interested in this video, keep watching. I chose to blow dry my hair just for this tutorial so that you can see my hair a little bit better, but you don't need to blow dry it. I will be using a scrunchie to section off one side of my hair, and then I'm going to be parting my hair into a smaller section. It's a lot easier if you do smaller sections for flat twists. With the section that I just parted, you're going to want to make 2 more parts out of that. One should be a smaller part and one is going to be your bigger part. And then from there, you're going to take the smaller part and then part it again into 2 more sections. And this is how we're going to start off the flat twist. Now, flat twists are super easy. You're just going to start by simply twisting your hair one section over another section. And then with the section that is now closer to your face, you're going to grab more hair and then continue to twist above the section that is now facing towards the back of your hair. I am now going to allow you to kind of see, because this is also more of like a visual thing, but you're pretty much just twisting your hair and adding more hair to one section every time you twist. And once I get to the bottom part, you're just going to continue to twist your hair. How I twist my hair is I twist by also twisting the strand a little bit as well, as you can see. So once you're done, your flat twist should look something like this, but I'm going to show you guys one more time. Also, I always flat twist going towards the back of my hair just to make sure that the hair is really secure in there. I've known that if I try to do it the other way, my hair just doesn't cooperate the same. But as you can see, it's just like a regular twist, but you're just grabbing hair as you continue, but only for one section. You don't need to grab hair for both sections, just for one. And then once you get to the bottom, I just continue to twist my hair by twisting and then twisting the individual strand just a little bit more. These are how my flat twists look once I'm done. I'm choosing to show you guys this tutorial because I will be doing a lot of fall hairstyles soon, and twists and braids are going to be incorporated in those videos, and I want to make sure that you guys know how to flat twist so that you can do my hair tutorials. But other than that, that is how to flat twist your hair. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like videos like this, or maybe tips, hairstyle tutorials, or hairstyle inspo, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.